Hi friends, good evening. Today I'm going to create the template for the TLOC site and will attach the template with the TLOC router 1 and TLOC router 2. And then I will configure the LAN side also, and then we'll do the testing. We'll make the reachability from TLOC site to headquarter, VRRP and DIS. So I will do the configuration of TLOC site through the template in this video of the Viptela SD-WAN series. So today I will show you the TLOC site configuration. First of all, I will create the template and will attach with the TLOC, both TLOC router 1 and 2. Then I will configure the switch and will do the testing. In previous video, I was done the configuration of DIS site, but due to some issue, I was not able to ping from VPN 20 because of some of the issue. So, but the issue was not the big issue. It was very common. Actually, due to copy paste, I was advertised the wrong prefixes under the VLAN, and I was due to that I was not able to ping. So you can see today I checked and found this. So see, I was advertised that IP is 71.71.71 and 72.72.72. But this IP is not the our IP. Our IP is 77, 77, 77 and 78, 78, 78. So I done the changes here, you can see, and then I do the testing and I am able to ping now successfully, you can see. So this was the mistake happened in previous video, but I was in busy, some sudden call was came, due to that I was stopped the video. So that's why today I show you what mistake was happened that day, and I correct them today. So now I'm going to start further configuration of TLOC site. So in TLOC site, actually no need to create the feature templates. So I will call the previous created feature templates only, and I will achieve the this device configuration through the template. And in this video I am not going to show you the TLOC configuration. Okay, it's a very important topic of the SD-WAN, Viptela SD-WAN. So for the TLOC extension I will create the separate video. It's a very important topic for the Viptela SD-WAN engineer. TLOC extension, DIA, it's a very important because of every organization are using this. So in this video, I'm just going to create the template with the single ISP. Router 1 will be with the MPLS only, and the router 2 will be with the internet only. Okay, so let's start. So you can see these are the device templates previously created and attached with the devices, and the feature templates are also here. Now I'm going to create the feature template, device template first. So what will be the okay, so here in this router I would be required for the MPLS configuration and the MPLS interface, right? But in this router will be required only the interface configuration of the internet. No any BGP configuration template will be required, right? Okay, so first of all it's asking for the device model, for which model you are going to create the template. So I already explained you the things. vEdge cloud, device role will be manage. Okay, template name, I'm going to give the template name TLOC. What previous I was given device configuration, right? So I'm going to use the similar thing, just change it. TLOC router 01 device configuration template. What's TLOC router VV0, correct. Okay, so I'm going to use it. So now come to the, just call the system configuration template already created in previous video. I'm just going to use that feature templates only here, and we'll achieve the TLOC router through the template. So I already explained you why the template is making the easier to manage the Viptela SD-WAN, because of once you will be create the template, you can use them multiple time in future. So you can see here, I am going to not going to create now, and I'm just going to use the previous created feature templates here also, and I will get the everything, right? So that's why it's a one-time struggle to create the templates only. After then, it will make you the very easier to manage the Viptela SD-WAN. So it's a VPN 0. Because of VPN 0 will be required on both router, right? And under the VPN 0 on this router, I have required the interface, MPLS interface and the BGP. So just VPN interface. Which interface? The interface is VPN 0 MPLS interface. Okay. So name is vEdge Cloud VPN 0 MPLS interface configuration template. Correct. Now for MPLS we would require the BGP configuration also, right? So just call the previous created BGP feature templates. It's this one. Okay. Now come to the management VPN. That is, I'm going to use the default management VPN. Just will call the management VPN interface only. Okay, and it will work. So fine, no need to create anything. Now come to the service VPN. Just VPN 10. Okay, next VPN 10 interface. That is VPN 10 VPN 10 interface configuration template. Okay, anything? No. This one only. VPN 10 interface configuration template. That is fine. VPN 10 interface configuration template. Yeah. Okay, fine. And because of we are using the OSPF, right? So one protocol template will be also we have already created. So just call them OSPF, right? So one service VPN all attachment is done. Now I'm going to call create the service VPN for the 20 VPN 20. You can see here I'm also using the two service VPN. One is the 172.168.108, another is 192.168.108. So VPN 10 and VPN 20, two VPN I will use here also. So just next VPN interface VPN 20 interface template, right? Now OSPF VPN 20 OSPF. Okay, that is done. Okay, it's done. Yeah. And another template for the TLOC router 2. So create the one more template, device template through the from the feature templates to vEdge Cloud SD-WAN Edge. Now give that name. Just change the router to. Okay. Call the system configuration template. Now VPN templates. These all templates are already created. These all are the templates are feature templates. So just I'm calling them here in device template. I already told you the definition of the device template. This is the collection of feature template. It is a set of feature templates. First of all, you have to create the feature templates, and then the feature template will be called under the device template, and this device template will be called under the on the devices. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing here. You can see now. You can see I call the VPN in, right? So my VPN configuration is done. Now I have to configure the interface under the VPN 0, right? So I have to call the service VPN, sorry, transport VPN interface for the internet, right? So just call them. VPN 0 inet interface. And here I'm not using the any protocol. I'm not using the BGP or OSPF. I'm directly using through the default route, right? So, and default route I already done under the VPN 0, right? So I have not required. Okay, okay, just a minute. I would be required some changes here. Okay, I will do later because of see router 1 I am using the interface as a MPLS, right? And here no require the default route, but I created the VPN 0 interface template. There I already done the configuration of default route, so it will be create the issue during the configuration. So I have to do the changes on router 1. I will create the separate VPN 0 template for the TLOC router 1, but in TLOC router 2 not required. We can use the previous template only. So I will show you just a minute. Meanwhile, first of all, attach the service VPN template. So similar, I will do the VPN 10 interface, VPN 10 interface, OSPF, just call the OSPF and add, right? Now attach the VPN 20, next interface, VPN 20 interface, OSPF, called OSPF for the VPN 20, add. So now, all right, I need to be attached here the management VPN interface. That's it. Now everything is done, correct. But as I told you, I need to be changed for the router 1 VPN template, right? Because I'm showing you why. Just come to the feature template, VPN 0. I called the VPN and VPN 0, VPN 0, VPN configures. You can see just I'm going to edit. Yeah, you can see I given the default route towards next hop internet. But in MPLS, I am achieving the neighborship with the through BGP. So there will be not required the default route, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy this template and will remove that because I cannot remove these things in this template because this template are attached with the rest of other devices also. If I will remove, this will impact to all devices. So come to the template, feature template, VPN 0. This one is the template. Okay, VPN 0 configuration template. Just I'm going to copy. Just I'm going to give the name like vEdge Cloud. Just TLOC RTR V01. Okay, so that we can be understand. Either we can mention that without default route. I think it's okay. Now we need to be do the changes here. So come to the configuration, edit, come to IPv4 route, just remove it. It's not required. Update. Okay, now come to device template and TLOC router 1, just edit, and change the VPN template only. That's it. Not the big thing required. Ah, now done. Now our device template is ready to attach with the devices, right? So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the control of the device. So, okay, you can see, so summary, you can see our BGP is up. So our control connections are also up through the MPLS. BFD session is also up with the 105 and 107. 105 is the VRRP and 107 is DIA router, right? So, and the both side we are used there MPLS. So that's why it's a BFD session is up with them. Okay, but we are not using the on uh, just a minute. It should be up with the headquarter as well because just a minute. Okay, okay, because of I still headquarter power down, so that's why it's not actually no issue. Okay, fine. I will make up. Don't worry. Mhm. Okay, TLog router 2. So control connection. Okay, you can see through the internet it's up. So BFD session. Yeah. So now I'm going to do the attachment of the device template with the device, and then after attach successfully, we'll do the testing. So come to the device TLog router 1, attach device TLog VRRP. Yeah. So it's asking the v Ethernet VPN 20 interface IP address. Okay. So VPN interface 20, right? It's coming interface here. So I'm going to use the IP address here 192.168.108.10 101, right? I will use here 101 and here I will use on router 2 I will use the 102 for the both for the 172 and 192. Okay, that's fine. So 192.168.108.101/24, that is our VPN 20 interface. Okay, and on switch I will use the 254. Okay, so that is fine. What is the VPN? It's asking the interface name, right? So the interface name is gig 0 by 4, ge 0 by 4, ge 0 by 4. VPN, it's asking the OSPF interface where you want to enable the OSPF in service LAN. So interface is same 0 by 4. Now it's asking for the VPN 10 interface IP address that I will use here 172.168.101/24. Now it's asking the interface name for the VPN 10. Okay, that is 0 by 3. So GE 0 by 3. GE 0 by 3. Now it's asking the MPLS interface IP address, right? So this IP address, it's asking about this IP address, that is 10.168.108.101. 10.168.108.10. That is fine. Yeah, this one only. 108.101. 108.101. Now it's asking the enter the VPN 0 MPLS interface name, that is 0 by 0. You can see it's a 0 by 0. Okay. Now it's asking the enter the VPN 0 BGP remote AS number. That is remote AS number means this one 6500. So just a minute, 6500. Now it's asking the enter the VPN 0 BGP never IP address, that is 10.168.108.254. Now it's asking enter the VPN 0 BGP AS number. This time it's asking the own AS number, that is 6508. So 6508. Now it's enter the VPN 0 BGP prefix to advertise, right? So the prefix is 10.168.108.0/24. That's it. Now system IP. Give the system IP. So what is the system IP? 10.108.0.1. So 10.108.0, sorry, 0.1. Now site ID, that is 108, right? 108. Host name, TLOC router V01. Okay, fine. Now update. Next, you can verify what configuration is going to change. So it will show you. You can see the config difference side by side. You can check here. Match the changes. Config. So okay guys, now you can see the template is attached successfully, right? Now come to the devices. Hmm, okay, now come here in console, do the testing now. So this time also the BGP stood up, right? You can see it's up. Now I'm going to verify the BFD session. That is also fine, similar, right? Control connection is also fine, right? So these are the process of pre-checks and post-checks before activity and after activity. What we added the configuration like service VPN, right? Previously it was not configured. Now I done the service VPN configuration also through the template. So just so verified, but so OSPF never, right? It will down because of I still not configured the configure switch. It's the both switch configuration are pending. So once I will done the configuration of switch, it will show you up. Okay, so first of all I'm going to attach the router 2 template as well. After then I will start the configuration of switch. So first of all attach the template here, router 2 also, just attach it, router 2, tlog router 2. Just edit. Now this time it's asking the VPN 20 interface IP. So I as I told you, I was used here 101 for the both. Here I'm using the 102 for the both VPN 10 and VPN 20. So 192, just change it 102. Okay, interface is also similar. So just one, yeah, it's fine, correct. No, this time interface is 3, right? You can see it's a 3, not the 4. Just need to be change this thing. Okay, so now VPN 10, that will be also change the IP only, and the interface will be for the VPN 10, that is 4. IP interface is 0 by 4 for the VPN 10. Okay, now enter the next hop IP of VPN 0, right? So the IP will be 20.168. Oh, 20.168.108.254, right? 20.168.108. I think this one only 254 only, I think. Just a minute. Verify. You can verify it from here. So run VPN 0. Yeah, that is 20.168.108.254. So just mention the same 20.168.108.254. Correct. In now it's asking to enter the VPN 0 inet interface IP address, that is 20.168.108.101/24. Okay. Now it's asking to enter the VPN 0 inet interface, that is 0 by 0. GE 0 by 0. Uh, yes, it's correct. Now it's asking the system IP, that is no, it's a, yeah, site ID, that is 108. 108. Yeah, see, system IP cannot be same match. If the system IP will be conflict, it will be impact your site, impact your device. It will, your device will be go down because of its impacting. But site ID can be conflict, no issue. Site ID can be used because of site ID basically used for assuming the location of devices, which location the device is belonging for. That's it. That is the use of them. Basic use of them. Just update. Next, verify. Yeah, you can see the changes here. Yeah. Host name is okay. Transport VPN. Okay, configured it. Now just refresh the page. You will see update here. Just wait for successful update. Okay, so now you can see template is attached successfully, and now we can verify also. Our control connection should be up. What I was done the pre-checks, we will verify. You can see it's up through the BGNet. Now BFD session should be also up. It's up, right? Yeah. So run VPN 10. You can see the running configuration of service VPN, but because of switch is not configured, OSPF will show you down. So OSPF never. You can say, oh, it's up. Okay, no. Why it's showing up? Because here now I'm just showing you one magic. Previously, what here when I was checked, was so OSPF never what was nothing was showing, right? I'm just going to check the same again. You can see this one is showing never with the router, not the switch. Okay, it's not make the never ship with the switch. It's make the never ship with this one. Okay, so now come to start the configuration of switch so that I can start the testing quickly. Just take the console switch. This one is the DIA switch. Not required. Close it. Leave it. T-lock switch 1, T-lock switch 2. Enable show IP interface brief. Okay. So run pipe section OSPF. Okay, that's fine. Now, first of all, I'm going to create the VLAN. Okay, so I will call the both interface under the VLAN. So come to the config mode, just there. Leave it, it will take quite time to come up. Meanwhile, come to the switch 2, conf t, do show IP interface brief. You can see nothing is there. Now I'm going to start the configuration. First of all, I'm changing the host name. Host name tlock switch 02. Now interface VLAN 192. Name service VPN 20 VLAN 192. Okay, it's just the length, so remove it. That's it. Okay, now come to the interface VLAN 20 VLAN 192. IP address 192.168.108.254.255.255.255.0. That is this one correct. No shut. Okay, now assign the interface under the VLAN. So interface range 0 0 by 1 and 0 by 2. No. 0 by 1 and 0 by 2 will be the member of. Okay, fine. 0 by 1, 2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 192, no shut, do right. Okay, let's see. So IP interface brief. You can see it's VLAN 192 is created. It will come up in quite time. Conf T. Meanwhile, I'm just going to assign the IP address on interface 0 by 1. Sorry, 1 by 1 and 1 by 2. Okay, and I will start. After that, I will start the configuration of OSPF. You can see now VLAN is come up. Okay, so now leave it. I'm just going to configure the LAN side interface. That is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 this interface. Okay, no. Interface 1 by 1, no switch port. So IP address 91.91.91.254 255.255.0, no shut. Okay, come to the 1 by 2 interface. 1 by 2, no switch port. First execute this command. After then only you will be able to assign the IP address and switch. So that's why now give the IP address 292.92. Okay, fine. Yeah, no shut, do right. So IP interface brief. Okay, yeah, you can see IP address configuration has been done. VLAN is also up, so I'm good to start the configuration of OSPF, right? Meanwhile, you can see here also, yeah, host name tlock switch 01. Okay, VLAN 172 name service 10. Interface VLAN 172. IP address is 172.168.108.254.255.255.0. No set. Okay. Yeah, fine. Now come to the interface and assign the interface. So here also interface is 0 by 1 and 0 by 2. Interface range 0 by 1, 2. Okay, no set. Now configure the interface gig 0 by 1 by 1 and 1 by 2. Which one is connected with the VPC, sorry. So interface 0 by, sorry, 1 by 1. Yeah, 1 by 1. No switch port. IP address that is 81.81.81.81 255, sorry, not 81, 255, 255, 0. Is it correct or not? You can see IP address 81.81.81.254. Okay, fine. No shut. Now come to the interface 1 by 2. No switch port. Wait for the unnecessary logs. After that we'll start configuration, so it will not disturb. 82. No, shut. Do right. Control Z. Before start the configuration of VLAN, VP, OSPF, just execute one command. So IP route VPN 10 and sim VPN 20. We can see I'm able to receive the prefixes. That 51 is the prefix of VRRP router, and the 71 and 72 is from the DIA router, right? Inside. Similarly, 77 and 78 is DIA side, 61 is from the VRRP side. Okay, now start the configuration of T-log switch OSPF. Okay, show IP interface brief. Okay, conf T router OSPF 100. Router ID I'm going to use here 181 181 181 181. Okay, network 172.168.108 dot 0. Wildcard mask is okay. 255 area is 0. That is fine. Now I'm going to use advertising the prefix, that is 81 81 81, and another is 82. Okay, hmm. Another one is 82. You can see OSP pitch came up, so do right. So IP OSPF never. You can see OSPF is came up, right? This time. 101 is executed this IP on router 1, and 102 is on router 2. You can see it's make the neighborship with the never SD-WAN. Okay, so now come to the switch 2. So conf T router OSPF 100, router ID that is 191.191.191. Just take 91 only, I will leave it. Just a minute. One call. Network is 192.168.168.108 dot 0 dot 0 dot 255 area 0. Wait, never see bill come up. OSPF Hmm. So you can see OSPF never CPs came up now. Now I'm going to advertise the prefixes 91 and 92. That's it. 91, 92. Do right. Just a minute. So you can see now switch configuration is done. My OSPF is also up. So IP OSPF never on both sides. You can see up. Now we'll configure the VPC and we'll do the testing. So first of all, I'm just going to one VPC will configure and do the testing for the testing purpose. So IP, uh, what IP? That is 81, right? 81.81, sorry, dot 81.81, 255.255.255.0 gateway. Yeah, sorry, 255.255.255. Hello. You can see now it's done, right? Just execute the command save so that after reboot the configuration will not remove from the device, right? Okay, so this time now I'm going to ping. Okay, just a minute. Do one thing. I'm just going to configure one of the VPC from VPN 20 as well. So IP 91, right? IP address is 91. Oh no, it's a 92. No issue. 92.92.92.92. Subnet mask gateway 92.92.92.254. Just verified. Show command. Save. Now I'm going to ping. Because of this VPC is the part of VPN 20, so I'm just trying to ping. Because of I'm not configured yet the VLAN route lake policy, I not execute, so we will not be able to ping. from one VPN to another VPN. So currently I have to ping similar VPN, right? So VPN 20 to VPN 20 only. So 61 is the member of VPN 20, right? And 77 and 78 is the member of DIA site VPN 20. So the both should be reachable from here. So ping 61, 61, 61, 61. Just let me see. Yeah, you can see I'm able to ping from TLog to VRRP site. Now this time I'm going to ping 77.77.77 and you can see it will be reachable. Yeah. So VPN 20 testing is done. Now come to the VPN 10. Ping 51 is the member of VRRP site VPN 10. So it should be reachable. Yeah, you can see 71 is the member of VPN 10 of DIS site, right? So just ping 71, 71, 71, 71. Yeah. So this time it's done in this video, this much only. So now my all the devices configuration through the template is done. Our all the LAN side configuration is done. All the VPC and the switches are configuration are done. All templates creation are done. Now from upcoming video I will start to show you one by one policy. Okay. First of all, you can see currently it's a uh, first of all I will show you hub and spoke policy. Okay, and after then I will show show you again one by one all policy like a DIA, route leak policy, VPN membership policy, everything I will show you. Okay, so okay, fine. In this video, this much only. Thanks for watching.